Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are all having an amazing day. This is a highly requested video after I posted my DIY shawl video, I think like last year. You guys have been asking me ever since then to do some more DIY kind of Indian outfits, Indian looks. So because of your request, I actually came up with some creative ideas. I've seen this kind of floating around on YouTube before as well, but I thought this was a really fun idea to get some unique Indian outfits by transitioning kind of like Western outfits into Indian outfits. Sorry, my hand's hurting. So basically what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be showing you a few options of dresses from ASOS. I never know how to say it, but I basically picked up kind of like maxi length dresses and just like regular dresses from their website, and I transitioned them into Indian suits. And I also did pick up some crop tops as well that you can basically pair with any lehenga top, and you get a very unique outfit that most likely nobody else at the reception party or whatever Indian party you're at is wearing. So it's definitely a fun and I would say inexpensive way to get some Indian outfits made from Western outfits, and you can totally wear these as Western outfits as well. So first off, I'm actually headed to a party and I thought I would film it now because I'm actually wearing one of the outfits. So it's basically this, okay, my heel keeps getting stuck in it, but it's basically a midi length dress that I transitioned into a anarkali suit. So I'm going to show you guys. It's so fun, and I bet you anything nobody else at this party has the suit. So let me show you guys. So basically this is the outfit. This was a dress that I transitioned into a suit. So I basically got a pajama made with it, and I can still wear this as like a regular dress, and I paired these fun earrings with it. I'm gonna show you guys my chunni too, but I mean, come on you guys, like how nice is this outfit? So pretty, right? Let me show you guys with the chunni. This is the outfit with the chunni. It doesn't, the chunni doesn't match exactly the same. I mean, it's pretty close actually, but yeah, it's a little bit darker, but I kind of like that because it's like two-tone a little bit. But this is the first outfit. I will link these below if I can find them, but this is such a fun and easy way to get some nice outfits. And look at the detailing on the top as well, and even the lace has little detailing. So it's super nice. Okay guys, so here is the second outfit. So basically I've ordered this crop top off ASOS, which is really detailed. I love the beadwork on it, and it also has a really nice back. I'm gonna attempt to show you guys. So that's basically what the back looks like, and then I just paired it with a black lehenga, and this lehenga has come in handy so many times. It was probably the best like money spent or best investment. So I basically just got this lehenga sewn, and I've worn it probably over 100 times, and so yeah, this top looks super fancy with it, and it was just like a normal crop top that looks super fancy and super kind of like black tie affair reception party. This outfit would be perfect for. And I'm also going to show you guys how this looks with the chunni. You can totally wear it on its own if it is like a more kind of like a black tie affair type of a reception, but otherwise you can totally pair a chunni with it. And these earrings are from Zara, by the way. So this is what it looks like with the chunni. I've just paired it with a net gold chunni, but as you guys can see, this is like totally Indian-fied, and you can still wear this crop top with like two more like Western functions too, but I think it works so well with an Indian outfit. And you could even wear this with a different color, but I think it looks super classy with this plain black lehenga, just because there's so much going on the top that it looks nice with the crop top, or it looks nice with the lehenga. I'm gonna just turn my camera around and show you guys the beadwork, but it's super pretty and really gorgeous, kind of detailed beadwork on it. So guys, this is basically the work on this top. It is so stunning, like it's just beautiful, and I love it, and it's totally like Indian. And let me just go stand in the light, and just really pretty. I think I showed you guys the back already, but super detailed. I absolutely love this top. So yeah, that's the second outfit. And I think I forgot to mention, this top was under $100. I'm gonna try to find my order on my email and let you guys know the prices of this, but like under $100, and it looks super fancy. It looks like a designer top that I got from like an Indian designer, but it's totally not. So ASOS, I still don't know how to say it, but I feel like they have some of the best kind of tops for Indian events. Okay guys, so last but not least, I have this outfit here, which is just absolutely stunning. I mean, look at this detail work. I'm gonna show you guys in a little bit when I turn the camera around, but it's just like stunning. I can't even get over this outfit, and I didn't pair it with the chunni because I just wanted to show off this work. And this was just a dress, and what I did is I got a pajama made with it so I can wear it like an anarkali suit, so you guys can see it's super stunning. So when you walk, it actually looks like, you know, you're wearing a pajama underneath, which I am. Yeah, so this was just a regular full-length dress that I've turned into an anarkali suit, and I think this would be such a beautiful outfit to a wedding if you wanted to pair it with a chunni, or to like a reception or a jago party. It's super stunning, and I love that it's plain from the bottom. All the beadwork is up top. I love the high neck. I think it just gives such a nice kind of detailed effect. And I paired it with these just like earrings that I got from Aldo. And yeah, this is the last outfit. So as you guys can see, these are super inexpensive outfits that I've totally Indian-fied, and you are sure that nobody else is gonna have your outfit because you didn't buy it from every other Indian shop that everybody else would be buying their outfits from. So not only are these outfits unique, they're super inexpensive, and you're gonna look absolutely stunning in it. So this is basically what this beadwork looks like. As you guys can see, it is super stunning. Like, just look at this. How pretty and detailed is this? You would not find an outfit like this for like at least $700 or $800 from an Indian shop. Guys, so I've pulled up my email here, and I'm gonna show you, or not show you, I'm gonna tell you guys the prices of all three of the items that I shared in this video today. So the first blue dress that you guys saw, I mean the anarkali suit, which is here, right here, and it's actually out of stock now, but you guys can find something similar if you look on their website. So that first one was for $63. Let me just close my window. So that first dress was $63, and I got a pajama made with it, which was probably around like $25. So again, under $100 for that outfit. The second one was the crop top that I showed you guys, and that one was $46 for that crop top. I mean, you guys are not gonna find a crop top with that much detailed beadwork embroidery on it for $46. So yeah, $46 for that one. And then the lehenga I got made, I think that was around $60. So again, it's like almost $100 for that outfit as well. Okay, so this last dress that I'm wearing, so as you guys can see, this is actually a dress, and I got that one for $150. So, and these are all Canadian prices, by the way. So $150 for this stunning outfit. I mean, can you guys believe it? Yeah, like I said earlier, you probably wouldn't find an outfit like this for under $700-800 from like an Indian designer or like local vendors. So yeah, definitely a bang for your buck on ASOS. And I don't just mean on ASOS, you can find like dresses or crop tops that kind of have like a more Indian vibe on so many different websites. You just gotta have an eye for it and keep an eye out when you see something that you think could work for like an Indian function. I would say just pick it up, buy it, because oftentimes, I know I'm guilty of this, when I have a party to go to and I feel like I have nothing to wear, I will end up spending like $300-400 last minute. So this is a great way to save your money and just like wear unique pieces to Indian parties, because not everybody's gonna do this. Everybody's most likely gonna go to like Indian stores to try to find an outfit, and I bet you anything at least like 2 or 3 people would be wearing the same thing or kind of like similar to you. So I bet you anything I'm not gonna see anybody wearing a dress or like an outfit like this at an Indian party. So, and those are also my little tips and tricks to kind of stand out and wear some unique pieces. And that's it, you guys. I really hope you found this video helpful. Let me know in the comments below if you want any more outfit ideas based on Western outfits. I seriously love fashion and I love designing, and I think this is such a fun and unique and easy and inexpensive ways to get some Indian outfits, and it's honestly so much fun. So let me know in the comments below if you guys want to see more of these, and I will see you guys all in my next video. Thank you so much for all the love and support. I don't want to touch my lipstick, but yeah. Oh, and I also did something different today. I never wear lashes, which I wore today, and I didn't put mascara or anything on under my eyes. So let me know if you guys want to toot on this look.